Okay, guys, let's take a look at our WTI crude oil for the day. We will be starting with our daily time frame. As we can see, I've highlighted some key levels here. As we can take here as our low, we will be taking here as our support area. As we can see, as our price has bounced here, push up, bounce here, push up, also bounce here, push up. And now one thing I've noticed is that we will be having a drop very soon, but right now we are still on a bullish move. We can see the bullish, and now when we have tend to have this uptrend move, right, we tend to have a pullback, which we actually got today. So I believe the next day our price will be opening, or our markets would be opening, it will continue to go bullish up again, at least till around 103. If our price can get to around 102, or what we are currently trading at 99, I would want my price to hit 102 before I consider shorting it, or before I consider maybe our price can fall down, or our price falls around 108. So there are two places our price can actually fall. I've highlighted it to two places. We can see it here, one around 102 and one around 107. Our price can fall within this area here. So I want you to actually notice that our price will be falling very soon. It can either push up and fall at 102, or it's push up and fall at 108. That is where we might be watching, where our WTI might be falling. So above all, we should be expecting a fall anytime soon. That is my analysis for the day.